I now invite Sanvi to talk about her experience from the competition she recently won. Good morning, everyone present here. For those who don't know, I have been called here today because I have won the Under 14 SJFI chess tournament. So I'd like you all to know that we have a chess club in our school, which you all may join. Hemant Sharma sir is our coach, and not all schools give us this opportunity. So please make the use of this opportunity. It's been 6 years since I've been playing chess, and there have been many ups and downs. There came a time when I lost 3 national championships in a row. And at that time, my mother supported me a lot, due to which now I have become the national champion under 14. So when I play chess, it just brings me into a whole new world. My class teacher, Suti Smita ma'am, once said that, Sanvi, you need to explore a new world. And this chess is the right thing for you. I did not become the prefect, and I was upset about it. And at that time, Suchi Smita ma'am inspired me and counseled me. So I like to say that for all of you who play chess, we have a chess club in our school. We have a great coach. I'd like to welcome you all to our chess club. If you need any help, then I am always there. You can find me in 11B classroom for chess club, and I can help you, I can guide you, and I can help you compete in chess tournaments. Our school organizes zonal level competitions every year. So the chess zonals are organized in our school only. I came first in that event, and I was selected for regionals. Over there, I secured the first position, and my nationals were in Hyderabad. I came joint first. The girl who came first as well as me, we both scored 7 points, and I was awarded the runner-up title. Then I went for Vellore, Chennai during my winter vacations with Shweta ma'am. I'd like to add that I'm really thankful to Shweta Kumari ma'am for being with me. It was a team event. There were 6 rounds. There were 26 states competing in it. And I was from the CISC team, and we had an undisputed victory. We came first, and we are selected for a national camp, and then we'll go for an international event.
First of all, I would like to express my immense gratitude to Promni ma'am for the unwavering support she has been giving Sanvi, and to all her teachers. They have always supported her. I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to Shweta Kumari ma'am. She accompanied her to Vellore when I was not able to go with her. आप सभी स्टूडेंट्स को 2-3 बात बोलना चाहूँगी. सानवी हमेशा एक गिवर रही है. उसने लाइफ में ये चीज़ सीखी है कि देना बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है, और मैंने भी उसे यही बताया है. तो आप सब स्टूडेंट्स को भी मैं यही बताना चाहूँगी कि खुद से पहले दूसरों को रखिए, देना सीखिए. जैसे ही हम देना स्टार्ट करते हैं तो पूरी यूनिवर्स मिलकर हमें मल्टीप्लाई करके उससे ज़्यादा देती है. और हमेशा हम्बल रहिए. सक्सेस आपकी लाइफ में आएगी, पर हमें उसमें अपने आप को एक स्टेबल पोजीशन में रखना है और हेल्प करते रहना है. ये बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है आजकल के टाइम में. और हमारी जयपुरिया की होल कम्युनिटी, जितने भी टीचर्स हैं, वो सब आपको यही सिखा रहे हैं. ग्रैटिट्यूड बहुत ज़रूरी है लाइफ में, और इसी तरीके से लॉ ऑफ अट्रैक्शन वर्क भी करता है यूनिवर्स में. दूसरी बात ये कि आजकल के टाइम्स में बहुत सारी इन्फॉर्मेशन है आप सबके पास, बहुत सारी सीरीज़ हैं, बट डिस्ट्रैक्शंस बहुत सारे हैं. हम सबको खुद से डिसाइड करना है, बड़े भी छोटे भी, कि हमें क्या देखना है, कितना देखना है, और किस टाइप का कंटेंट अपने अंदर लेना है. क्योंकि वो ही हमारे थॉट्स बिल्ड करता है, वो ही हमारी डेस्टिनी बिल्ड करता है. और एक बैलेंस बना के रखिए अपनी स्टडीज़ में भी और अपने स्पोर्ट्स में भी, तो फिर लाइफ बिल्कुल ब्लूम करेगी. Thank you so much.
Children, it's a big victory, and it comes only out of determination. She's crossed so many rounds, and you have to understand that she went to SJFI Nationals, where there was only one child from UP and Uttarakhand, and that was Sanvi in that team. And then there were children from other regions, and eventually a team was formed. She also became the captain of that team. So you can understand the power and the determination and the excellence to which she has reached. Now, all of us have to pray that she also wins the international round. So from today onwards, the whole school prays for her, and you also start playing chess.
I now invite our respected principal ma'am to award Sanvi.